Today, guys, I am heading to the farm, and guess what? We have motorbikes. They are racing in front of our farm. I can see all the red flags and all the lights. They like doing it here in these roads. I don't know why. And I just have to be careful because I know for sure they might come across one. So I'll be extra vigilant on the roads, but I'm not too far from my farm. I think I'm a kilometer away. Welcome to Rosemobo Goat Farm. Today we are going to be talking about an abscess. What is an abscess? An abscess is it's a red hot swelling in a goat. It can happen anywhere in a goat. So an abscess can be in most cases behind the ear, in front in the chest, and then it can be on the stomach, on the legs, anywhere in a goat. So an abscess, it's a red hot and painful swelling in a goat. What causes an abscess in goats? Abscess are caused by it can be a thorn. A bacteria enters the body of a goat. So it can be a thorn going through the skin of the goat, and then what happens is that a bacteria enters the body of a goat. So that's what causes an abscess. Abscess is a painful thing. When you touch it, it's a painful thing. You'll hear a goat cry, and sometimes you can't even touch it. A goat will try and run away from your hands. So in order to win abscess in your head, what normally people do is that they use Glenvex 3. Glenvex 3, they inject all healthy animals, all affected animals, and unaffected animals. That's how you can only win abscess in your head. So today I'm going to be going through my animals to see which ones have abscess. And abscess, sometimes when it's new, when the swelling is new, you don't need to maybe cut the skin and then drain it, because there won't be that white substance inside. You must know when it's right to actually break the skin of the goat and release all the pus inside. So how do you recognize that the swelling it's ready? When you touch it and press it, you can feel it moving inside, and you can feel that it is soft. And when it's time, it's soft. When it's soft, that is the time to now make a cross. If you make a cross in that swelling with a sterilized razor blade or anything that just can cut a small cross in that swelling, it is painful. So a goat is going to try and run away from you, or is going to be making some noises. So today I'm going to be checking on my goats to check which ones have abscess, and then I'm going to be placing an order for Glenvex 3. So which means I'm going to be injecting all my goats with Glenvex, including the bucks, with Glenvex 3, because this is a contagious disease. And a contagious disease means it affects one goat, it's going to affect other goats, and it's going to be hard to control it. So come with me, guys, as I go through the head. Thank you. Damn it. It's terrible, man. It's terrible. Don't squeeze it. It's, you know what causes, do you know what causes this? So ra go mo ya bo ile khofa khotsa bacteria be ita hali e be go nna le abscess. So abscess ke yona sa bolo go drain ano e bone. We need to drain this one, and then what we are going to do is we are going to wash it with warm water and salt, and then we spray with that spray. Otherwise, this is a very contagious thing. Contagious or it's painful, man. It's painful. How come you didn't see it, Timber? I agree there is a dog. Yeah, no, yeah, see again. It's fine. Hey. Okay. Hey. Go.
And Chief, I want to do with 2 hands.
Hey. Skip out with Kola. It's painful, eh? Shit. Sit down. I'm gonna put your tata in
And it will stay proof.
Okay. I think what's in the again. Let's go eat some lemon.
Oh no.
Let's go. What's the number? What is painful? There are no ticks in this goat. Check for ticks. There's nothing.
It's there. You can spray.
It's okay. It's okay. Put it back. It's in you. We need to inject all of them. Cut land like 3. What's that, silly? Hey, let me. You must also feel it. If it's soft, we need to check it. Press it. Is it soft or it's hard?
Yeah, it's hard.
It's hard. Can I feel it? Okay. Ah, is this an abscess? It's hard, eh?
Spray.
Just apply this one. We need to make sure we take them out. You cut an X here. No one. We cut an X. So right now you are applying tick grease. I don't know why are you doing it. Why are you doing it, Timber? Yeah. All right, now leave it. I want to ticks go more clean. Check if there are ticks there. With the amount of rains you have been getting of lately, we need to work it out. Okay, which one again, sir? You know, it has lost a bit of weight, eh? Fats. Her name is Fats. Okay, Temba, we can take them out. The body score thing is quite equal class. We are going to need to supplement very fast. We are about to supplement 2 minutes. Can I say again the race at the